Have you got one yet? Come on, Wos. Here, Luna, let me see. Luna, let me see. Oh, don't throw it like that either. Come on.
Here, get him now.
Holden! What are you doing? No! What are you doing? Let's go fishing. Here, you want to go down the stairs carefully? No, you do not go up there. Go! No. Be careful. It's like, it's not, he loves fishing and we've been catching a lot, but it's like, no, I gotta climb up towards the bridge, yeah. You got one, Rowan? Oh. Don't hold it. It's really slippery. Oh my God. Nope. All right, I won't go out there. I fell like 5 times. Oh, fuck. I just want to try once over here. I just fucking ate shit again. Twice in a row. Dude, I fell like 5 times. Oh. I just ate fucking shit. Like bad. Dude. Oh, and I fell again. Oh, are you snagged here? Everly, not with her rod.
Going.
Yeah. All right, Luna, I got it off. Here, hold on. You want to do deep? That's a pretty one, man.
I'm killing it.
In general, just
That's gorgeous.
Dad, I'm killing it.
If you were following any of my other content, gosh, he caught a big one earlier. Oh, jeez. I gotta have a better spot for him to do it. No, hold it. What is it? What is it? Oh, nice sunny, babe. It's cool. Yeah, and it's a pretty pumpkin seed. Don't do that. Don't do that. It's bad for your pole and the fish. Don't want to shake. Wait, Luna. Oh, it got off when he. All right, hold on. Come on. Oh. Oh my. Yep. I don't know if it was big, but it was a fish. Gosh.
Mom, there's actually...
Let me see. Look at Everly.